Info name is a CUBOT J5, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through factory mode. So to get started, we want to shut off the device, so hold power key and select power off. Now once the device is off, you want to hold power key and the volume up or down. So volume down and power key. Now once you see the CUBOT logo, you can let go. And right now we're in factory mode. So from here you want to use volume down to navigate and select clear eMMC, which is right here, where you see eMMC, and confirm it with power key. And now the device will begin removing all personal data, basically performing a hard reset. And once it's finished, it will be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.